These are the cheapest Freepods you'll get from Oraimo today. Well, apart from their new earbuds, but these Freepods cost about 20,000 roughly.
Say person like that. Say normally person don't normally person don't like
As usual, we have our welcome guide, basic steps, and how to use your free extra ear tips. These come in black, others come in green for the green version, and some come in blue. Your Type-C cord. I'm happy everything now comes with a Type-C cord because Type-C is the future. One of the major features of this FreePod is the transparent cover. The cover is transparent, so you can almost see clearly what is inside, which are and those are your FreePods now. Your FreePods Lite. Yeah, they are called FreePods Lite, but they don't weigh any differently. Although they are not heavy, so you won't feel the stress of wearing them. You rarely do. These are also transparent FreePods inside, but on the black you can't really see it, so when you try on other colors you'd see what I'm talking about.